Welcome to my channel. So this video about how to design unified modeling language diagrams, that is so-called UML diagrams. To make UML diagrams, first we need a software. There are number of softwares already available in the market, but this video focus on designing UML diagrams using Star UML software. To design UML diagrams, first we need Star UML software. So for this, I am searching over Google. So the first link will give you the official website of Star UML, that is staruml.io. Open it. Then after that, click on download. So the software is available in different operating system versions. So depending upon the OS what you are working, you have to select the version. So in my system, Windows is running. That's why I am moving to the Windows. Now the software is getting downloading. It will take a few seconds time. So the software is generally a sophisticated tool and it is help to design the model, and it is fully supporting for UML. And also the advantage of this software is it is automatic modeling software. So almost the software getting downloading. Yeah, it's done. So after that, you just open it by clicking on the software. Then it will ask you to allow this app to your system. Then you can click on yes. Then immediately it is starting installation. So if you are first time installing, then it will ask you where to load the files. So already I attempted for installation. That's why it is not asking. By default, the Star UML will be in the program files. So to verify it, go to the program files. Under that you will find Star UML software. So now the Star UML interface is shown here. So here unregistered version is producing. That's why click on evaluate. So this is the area where we are drawing a diagrams. So to select the diagrams, first you need to go to the model. Then after that you can click on add diagram. Then it will display the number of the diagrams. And from this you can select any one. So here I am taking use case diagram. And the left side you just see here the toolbox will provide the components of the use case diagram. Now I am selecting a primary component, so-called actor. and after that I am naming to it as a customer. Similarly, one more actor I have selected, and that is nothing but a system. So in between these two actors, I would like to include number of use cases. So here you can include any number of use cases to fulfill the system scenario. And also you can able to add a relation between actor and the use case. So here the relation is direct association or simple association, and you can also able to apply generalization also. So depending upon application, any one of the relation you can include among the actor and the use cases. So this is the way you can use the Star UML software to build your own UML models. So this is just a partial diagram for the ATM use case, and after that you just save this diagram by giving a proper name, ATM use case, and the extension of that file is .mdj, and this software also allow you to export the diagram into the different formats like PNG, JPG, SVG. So with this you can also do some export. So like that you can design your own diagrams, and from the next subsequent videos I will explain you how to draw the different UML diagrams with the help of the different applications. Thank you for watching.